Hi YouTube, welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you guys how to make this awesome drink that helps to clean you out, give you a deep cleanse and detox while at the same time providing other health benefits as well. If you're interested, please keep watching. Alright everyone, let's get started. First, go ahead and get your mug and your tablespoon ready. Then go ahead and head over to your stove top and set your water on high so that it can come to a slow boil. Next, you want to go ahead and roll out your lemon to soften it. Go ahead and give it a nice slice and begin to juice it. You can use your fingers to strain out all the seeds so that you don't have to worry about taking them out later. Alright, so now go ahead and take that tablespoon you set aside earlier and measure out 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. And now rinse your spoon and use that same tablespoon to measure out 1 tablespoon of coconut oil and add that to your mix. Alright, so now we're going to add all of our spices, starting off with ground ginger and ground cloves. Now you can go ahead and add your cinnamon and your cayenne pepper. Go ahead and take your mug and give it a nice little swirl to mix the ingredients. Once that's done, you can go ahead and head over to your stove top and turn off your water. Go ahead and add your 2 tablespoons of honey, and you want to do this just before you add in the water. Alright, so finally you want to go ahead and take that water and pour it right on top of the rest of your mix. Alright, so now that you've done all that, you're basically finished. Just go ahead and stir everything together, making sure that you go all the way to the bottom of your mug and stir, because you don't want to leave any of that good ingredients behind. Don't worry about your coconut oil, that'll melt itself because of the heat of the water. Alright, so this is what your drink will look like when you're finally finished with it. Go ahead and sip on it and enjoy. Don't get discouraged by the way it looks, it's actually really good. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for checking it out. Make sure you like, share, and subscribe. See you in my next one. Bye.